Hi, I'm Steve McCarty. People know me as one of the writers of the classic records Fly Like an Eagle and Steve Miller Band Greatest Hits. And I'm with my friend Gene Uvari of Toshiba, our technology partner. We'd like to invite you to join us for an incredible event on Tuesday, February 23rd, 2010. We're having the Toshiba Starshine Celebrity Golf Tournament on that day at the Old Scottsdale Country Club, now called Starfire, a golf course designed by the king himself, Arnold Palmer. The night before, on Monday, February 22nd, we're having a cocktail reception, dinner, concert, and silent auction at the Scottsdale Hilton Resort and Villas, complete with some fabulous sports and rock memorabilia. This is going to be an amazing concert and jam session with members featuring members of the Steve Miller Band, with celebrity guest artists such as Curly Smith, the great singer-drummer from the classic band Boston, Rusty Milner from the Marshall Tucker Band, Alice Cooper, just to name a few, Kenny Lee Lewis. These are legends. And not only are we going to rock out with recording artists, but we have amazing sports celebrities coming also. Hall of Fame football players and baseball players. David Craig from the Seattle Seahawks and Arizona Cardinals. Seth Joyner, Harmon Killebrew. These are legends. Not only is this going to be a really, really fun, good time, perfect weather event, but it benefits one of the great charities in the world, Starshine Academy, who creates transformational schools for kids at risk throughout the world. They're doing some really, really amazing work, and we want to support them. Please join us.
Steve, I know I'm going to be there, and I know your band's going to be there. This is going to be a fabulous event. Call the number at the bottom of the screen, 602-957-9557, or go to the website, www.starshineacademy.org, to get your tickets and reservations done today.
Tickets and sponsorships are still available for this incredible event. Please come join us for this. It's going to be super fun, and again, it benefits one of the great causes in the world. Thanks so much.